Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you all of the autofocus modes on Canon EOS R50 V. So first, to access the autofocus, go into the menu, now into the autofocus mode, right here, and autofocus operation. We have three modes: the Servo, the AI focus, and one shot. One shot locks focus on stationary subjects. So when I pick this, go into menu, then the focus will be, for example, at this plant. Now, menu once again, and from one shot go into the Servo. The Servo will continuously tracks moving subjects. So when I have this plant, it won't take focus on it, but when I, for example, move my finger, it should track the focus with it. Now we have, once again, menu and AI focus, and it will switch between these two options according to AI. So when it's like this, it will focus this plant, and when I move something, it will focus on the moving object. Of course, it won't focus when I'm moving this close and that fast, but you know, just take the camera and hold it in one place, and when someone, for example, is dancing, running, walking, it will focus this person. And now into the menu, we have, we can scroll to subject to detect, and we have people, we have animals, vehicles, none, or auto. That's pretty much it. That is in autofocus. You also have eye detection, register people priority, and switching tracked subjects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.